Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you chapter 2, mixture and its characteristics. In previous classes, I also discussed the topic of mixture and its types, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. The first thing I explain the mixture. What is mixture? A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more substance, more elements, more compounds combined together. That is mixture. A mixture is a substance which consists two or more elements or compounds combined together, that is mixture. A mixture is a getting that you get when you combine two substances so that no chemical reaction happens between the substance. There are generally two types of mixture. First is homogeneous mixture, second is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture in a mixture having uniform means same type, same composition of elements and compound are combined together. That mixture is said to the homogeneous mixture. And now another is heterogeneous mixture, when different types of element and different types of compound are combined together. That is said to the heterogeneous mixture. Like example of soil, sand, sulfur, iron, that is the heterogeneous mixture. Soil and sand combined together, that is soil is different, sand is different, that is combined together, that is heterogeneous. When salt and water combine to, that is homogeneous, means mixing one types of, that is homogeneous mixture. Now when salt and water and sugar and water, that is homogeneous, soil and sand are, that mixture is heterogeneous. Now again I explain the topic of characteristics of that mixture. What is the characteristics of that mixture? So there is no chemical force acting between the two or more substances. There is no chemical force acting between the two or more substances that are mixed but they still exist together. They can either be heterogeneous or homogeneous. In nature, the property homogeneous means same types, heterogeneous means different types elements or compound combined together. Now its characteristics, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous types, and that characteristic, first characteristic is that is the mixture has no fixed composition. Now second, that mixture energy is neither produced nor evolved. That mixture in energy is neither be evolved and produced. Third one is the mixture has no fixed melting point and boiling point, means different types of mixture are different melting point and different boiling point. Now fourth one is the separated from one element to another element. That mixture like sand and soil, that mixture are separated from one to another. that is separated, that mixture is separated to each other. Now another fifth is maybe homogeneous and heterogeneous, means same types of elements or compound are mixed, yeah, or different types of compound and elements are mixed. That is the characteristics of that mixture. Okay, thank you.